Keynote is part of Apple's iWorks app along with Pages and Numbers. It already comes pre-installed on all iPads and is very powerful with a lot of great uses across the class. You can use Keynote to export your slides as movies and create GIFs. So let's have a look at how that's done. You can export your Keynote slide deck as a movie for anybody who isn't there. This will include any videos that will play, any animations. As you can see, I've added in some audio recordings, and this is just a great way to share any presentations or any guides, any tutorials, any teaching as a video. So quite simply, I have got a couple of slides here. There are 1 or 2 audios in there and some builds. I'm just going to hit 3 dots. I'm going to go to export. I'm going to go to movie. Here you can choose the resolution. Obviously, the higher the resolution, the bigger the size of the file. So I'm going to stick with 720. You can also choose the slide range if you just want to include some of the slides, and you're going to choose what happens after the sort of time delay between each slide and each build. I generally have mine set to 0. I'm just going to export that here. It will take a while to create the movie. Obviously, if you go for 4K, this is going to be a lot slower as the file size is going to be bigger. Once your movie has been created, you then need to choose where you need to save it. So I can either share it with my contacts, I can open it in an app, I can save it to a video, I can save it to files, I can save it to Google Drive, OneDrive. What I like to do is I like to copy it to iMovie. I'm going to start a new movie here. And the reason that I like to do this is I like to add a soundtrack over the top. So I'll just go down to choose that one. We'll add that one in. And this soundtrack will be the perfect size, and it will trim and play exactly at the end of my video. I know this can be done with clips, but I do like in iMovie the fact that you have the same soundtracks, but you also get the widescreen resolution. Hi, I'm Paul Tullock, and I'm going to be talking to you about being the master of one and getting creative with Keynote. So I guess the big question is, why use one app? What are the benefits of just using one app? There was a study produced by Nesta on the future skills that are expected to be used in 2030. And by just using one app, it really helps to enhance creativity. It also helps to enhance the critical thinking aspect. Turn the sound down on the soundtrack just a little bit so you can hear it, but as you can see there, which is going to be key in the future, and it also helps with the collaboration features. So it's playing my builds. I'm happy with that, and then from there I can just export that or save it to files, save the video to my camera roll, choose the size again so I can shrink the size down again just to save that on space. And now that can be shared in any way that I want, via Seesaw, via email, via cloud storage. Why not turn your slides into an animated GIF to share with these students? Here we have 3 slides. I'm wanting to change all these 3 into a GIF. They do have animations in. I'm just going to go to 3 dots, export, animated GIF. I get a whole lot of options here. I can make them small, medium or large. I'll just stick with extra large. Slide range, I want all 3 of these to be in the GIF, so it just completely plays all 3 slides over and over again. You can choose your frame rate here. We'll just leave it at 30, and you can choose the auto advance in the seconds. We'll just leave that in the middle. Just gonna hit export. Share those GIFs wherever you need to share them. I'm just going to save mine to my camera roll, and then quite simply I'm just going to go into the camera roll and just check that GIF there. And this will just play over and over again as GIFs do. Obviously you can make them quicker by slowing down the animations or even taking the animations out. You could just have 3 different images that, or 5 different images or however many it is that just quickly flick to the next all the time, but a really great way to make little reminders. And another great option is just to share